Hello everyone, we are from Group 5. The members are Hans, Intan, L, me, Dila, and Tian. So on this occasion, we would like to show you the EdTech web application that can make your language learning class more interesting. So here we go. Alright, today we will discuss about introducing the KumoSpace, the advantages and the disadvantages of KumoSpace, how is usable KumoSpace for education, and demo of the KumoSpace. What is KumoSpace? KumoSpace is a web application that is used to hold online activities that involve up to 30 people for free in one room, including host and co-host. This web application is inspired by the game industry. KumoSpace offers the video conference experience that is mirroring a real-world impression and a lot of conversation in the same room together. So, this application can be referred to as an application like a face-to-face but online version. Also, this web application can be used for work, events, education, and also social matters. In the KumoSpace, there are many features that can be used, such as video conferencing, movement, spatial audio, screen share, host and co-host, chat, protected spaces, and also broadcast. And you can see by yourself the explanation of those features.
Okay, in this slide, I will explain about advantage and disadvantage of KumoSpace. In the advantage, there are 3: creative in design the room, free, and host and co-host power. In the host power, managing space security setting, chat setting, rooms, designing co-host. And in the co-host power, they can make broadcast, present, change audio range, mute participant, and remove participant. And the disadvantage, there are 3: user need to adapt, recommended device, and paid features. Advantage of KumoSpace. First, creative and design the room. KumoSpace have the freedom to be creative in choosing and designing what a meeting room wants. The second, free. We can find and use a lot of interesting and beneficial feature freely. And the last not least, host and co-host power. There is a host who is the lead or head of the video conference, who also assisted by the co-host. The next slide, disadvantage of KumoSpace. The first one is user need to adapt. If a new user is using the app for the first time, it is necessary to adapt. And the second, recommended device. These apps recommended using a PC or laptop. And the last, paid feature. To get more feature, the user must upgrade the space.
So the next is KumoSpace for education. KumoSpace offers educator to enhance virtual learning with dynamic settings. In this case, teacher can freely make classroom arrangement like face-to-face learning. Based on our experience in observing this web application, there are several important things about the usefulness of this application for education, especially language learning. So the next is user experience. KumoSpace is easy to use because the design is very simple. There are many tools that are easy to identify. It is also aesthetically pleasing because its presentation is like a face-to-face class, but in this case it is system-driven. Also, in this application, teachers can monitoring what students are doing, presenting any material or assignment according to what they want to teach, and organizing class activities by explaining the material clearly and giving assignments during the activity.
The first one is language practice. At KumoSpace, the teachers can teach all aspects such as reading, writing, grammar, speaking, listening, and so on. Because this application is focused on the real classroom activity, so it depends on the teachers what they want to teach. The teachers can use the available features to teach all these aspects, such as asking the students to turn on the microphone to practice speaking with others, and then watching the video that can be viewed on the link YouTube, and then listening to the audio, making essay or other writings that are done by connecting others writing website using hyperlink features in the common space, and then conduct the discussion session, etc. By using KumoSpace, the students will be more easy to understand the material because there's direct practice even though it is done by online. Because this application is designed like face-to-face learning with a maximum members of 30 people, including the teachers. And the next is tracking learning. The teacher can set the goal or a learning objective by using KumoSpace because the teachers can directly carry out teaching and learning activity and interact with students. The teachers can observe the weakness and the strength of the students through the interaction or activity carried out, whether the students are active or not, knowing the problems faced by students, etc. In addition, the students can improve their soft skills in the terms of working together, being responsible for the assignment, respecting people who are talking, obeying the rules, and then and if they get the opportunity to become the teachers, assistants, in this case are co-hosts, they can help the teachers to organizing an effective learning. There is no opportunity for the students to access their own ability because there's no features to know their ability except if the teachers provide the feedback or assess their assignment directly.
And the next part is the interaction of the KumoSpace. So the interaction, there is 5 points. The first one is the student can communicate with others in KumoSpace. The second one is there is an audio range settings that can be adjusted to the size of the range to allow participant approach the source of the sound either to listen to the teacher direction and explanation or interact with the others. And the third point is KumoSpace also provides a chat features where to have asynchronous chat. And the fifth point is there is also collaborative learning through camping, and each group can discuss and do activities together. Use the link with the teacher provides. The technical information of the KumoSpace. So the technical information of the KumoSpace can operate using PC or laptop and mobile phones. So it's very easy to log in. When we are using KumoSpace, we need to use the internet connection such as Wi-Fi or data cellular. And when using KumoSpace, user cannot record the activities because the KumoSpace prioritize user privacy and data security. And at this time, it is not possible for user to record KumoSpace event. But if the activities are important, KumoSpace are suggesting looking into Loom, which is free app and allow you to record in browser experience.
Hello everyone. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
How are you guys?
I'm
I'm
good.
fine, sir. How about you?
How about you?
I'm good too, guys. Okay, today we are going to start our class with the new material in this grammar class.
Okay,
Let's
sir.
click the whiteboard in the middle of our class.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So, guys, could you see something on the whiteboard in the middle?
Not yet, sir. Not yet. Nah, right now I can see it.
Nice, nice. Okay, all right. In this is a pattern of simple past tense. In this past tense, there are include subject, verb to, and adverb of time. There are two example, which is which one is correct, guys?
Uh, can I answer it, sir?
Yes, of course.
I think the correct one is the first one. Santi went to the gym yesterday.
Yes, that's correct. Yeah, the correct answer is number one, and the number two is incorrect because consists of verb one.
Okay, sir.
Yes. So, what is the true sentence of number two, guys? Can you answer it?
Can I?
Yes, of course.
And the correct answer is Joko ate banana yesterday. Isn't that true, sir?
Nice. That's true. Very good. Okay. Okay, class. Do you understand about the simple past?
Of course I understand, sir.
All right. Nice. How about others?
Yes, sir. I understood.
Nice. All right. Thank you for joining the class, guys.
Okay.
See you when I see you